In the last video, we saw how we can create conditionals to decide between two paths. Let's say we have a situation where there can be multiple options. We want to decide students' grades based on the marks obtained in the exam. We want to create a program that will read student marks and assign a grade. Let's create a sample program. Let's assign marks to 90 and let's write if statements. If marks greater than 80, then we print congratulations, you have got A grade. If marks greater than 70, then we print nice work, you have got B. And if marks greater than 50, you could improve a bit, you have got C. If we write something like this, it will execute all code blocks because all conditions hold true. In such cases, we could use elif statements. So if we change to elif, it would look something like this. So now if I execute, it will run the first code block for which the condition satisfies. There is one caveat with this. You have to be careful with the sequence of if statements. If we modify this order of if blocks, then we get incorrect results. So make sure to have correct order with if statements. If none of the conditions satisfy, then we can have else block which will be executed. Let's also add else block at the end saying that's all. And now if we run, so if we write marks less than 50, then we will get that's all.